Hello everybody, this is AustinEndO here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use your WhatsApp on your computer, guys. Yes guys, this method will be used without any emulator or any software, guys, so stay tuned for the procedures. So this is the app, this is the extension which I'm going to provide in the description below. So if you also want, you can go to the apps in your Chrome and search for Android online emulator and just search for it and just add this to the Chrome. Add extension, and the extension will be added to Chrome. So after the extension is added, it will be over here, so make sure you click it and make sure you click on run Android emulator. So after you click on that, a new tab will start, and click on the start to run our Android emulator. So make sure you click on start. So it will start, it will tell you to wait, and it will load the Android emulator. It is a good way of you do not need any QR code in this method as well. It will be really direct, and also you can add your mobile number and you can directly use your WhatsApp on your mobile without any need of your mobile. In your computer, whenever you start your WhatsApp web, you need the QR code to scan it, but in this method you won't be able, you don't even require that. So once you open this Android emulator, make sure you go to your Play Store and make sure that you sign up over here. Okay guys, so I will be putting my login details and I'll be back, guys. So hello everybody guys, I'm back here and I've logged into my account successfully over here. So after I log in my account, I will search for WhatsApp and install WhatsApp in this emulator. I know it's a bit lengthy process, not that lengthy actually, but this will help you, using your WhatsApp without your phone number, without your mobile, guys. You actually need your mobile to scan the QR code and then you will be logged on your PC, but in this method it is not required, and WhatsApp is installed. So let's open WhatsApp. And there you go guys, WhatsApp has been installed. Let's click on OK, let's click on agree and continue, and there you go guys. Here you can add your phone number and you can use your WhatsApp over here. So this is how you can use your WhatsApp. So this will be useful for those people who don't have any mobile, and those who really want WhatsApp, they want to use WhatsApp on their PCs. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this video, please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care everybody.